To connect a printer on OPPO Reno 15, first of all, we need to open the settings on your phone. Next, we're gonna go ahead and open the device connect. And then in this menu, we need to scroll down and you should be able to find the print option. Here we can start by going to default print service, which of course we can enable, and then you can try to detect your printer on this list of available devices. You can also use this plus button in the upper right corner in case you want to search your printer by the IP address or by using the Wi-Fi Direct, if your printer has Wi-Fi Direct, of course. In case you cannot find your printer over there, you can also use Add Print Service over here, and you can download an additional plugin that is made for your printer. Of course, you need to choose the correct plugin over here, correct app. So for example, if you have a Samsung printer, then of course you want to choose the Samsung Print Service plugin. Once you get your plugin, you just want to make sure that you can, you can try to find your printer with the help of that additional print service or additional plugin. In case this doesn't work as well, you will have to use the user manual of your printer in order to find out if you have to download a very specific app, because sometimes printers have their own apps that you have to download in order to be able to find your printers and connect them with your phone. And usually these apps can be found in the Play Store, so you shouldn't have any issues with finding it, but you of course have to know what app you need to get, which unfortunately I can't really tell because printers, they have their own apps that you have to get. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.